here's some turbulence theory trivia. Subscribe. What mathematical approach helps analyze turbulence? Is it A, linear algebra, B, quantum mechanics, C, chaos theory, or D, statistical mechanics? The correct answer is D, statistical mechanics. Which property of fluids affects turbulence intensity? Is it A, thermal conductivity, B, surface tension, C, viscosity, or D, compressibility? The correct answer is C, viscosity. What kind of turbulence is generated by obstacles? Is it A, free stream turbulence, B, wake turbulence, C, thermal turbulence, or D, boundary layer turbulence? The correct answer is D, boundary layer turbulence. Which field studies the behavior of turbulent flows? Is it A, fluid dynamics, B, kinetics, C, solid mechanics, or D, thermodynamics? The correct answer is A, fluid dynamics. What type of modeling helps with understanding turbulence? Is it A, quantum mechanics, B, computational fluid dynamics, C, molecular dynamics, or D, geometric modeling? The correct answer is B, computational fluid dynamics. Which type of flow is more predictable, laminar or turbulent? Is it A, random, B, swirling, C, chaotic, or D, laminar? The correct answer is D, laminar. What type of energy transfer occurs in turbulence? Is it A, electrical energy, B, chemical energy, C, kinetic energy, or D, potential energy? The correct answer is C, kinetic energy. What instrument can create turbulence in laboratories? Is it A, stirrer, B, magnet, C, bell, or D, pump? The correct answer is A, stirrer. What natural phenomenon can turbulence contribute to? Is it A, flight instability, B, earthquakes, C, rainbows, or D, tidal waves? The correct answer is A, flight instability. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.